Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound now, as always. Hello. Here we go. You're welcome to fast. Yep, the sound is good. I see that people are joining, but I cannot see the names today. So if you want to say hi, please do so in the comments. Good morning, Leslie. Good morning, John. Yes, Leslie, I am in Canada. It's very cold. I'm all bundled up, but it's very nice. I love it. Good morning, John. Yes, it is very cold. But I really love the cold weather. I love the feeling of like being wrapped in a sweater and coats and everything. A nice break from the heat of Cozumel. Good morning, Cindy. All right, it is time for us to start. Good morning, Sandra. All right, let's dive in. Forgiveness takes practice, honesty, open-mindedness, and a willingness to try, even if it is a weary willingness. In the next few days, we will explore how to break the process of forgiving into bite-sized pieces that we can digest easier. We explore the fourfold path of forgiveness outlined in the Book of Forgiving. But today, let's just summarize what we have learned so far about what forgiveness is not. Forgiveness is not easy. It requires hard work and a consistent willingness. Forgiveness is not weakness. It requires courage and strength. Forgiveness does not subvert justice. It creates space for justice to be enacted with a purity of purpose that does not include revenge. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It requires a fearless remembering of hurt. Forgiveness is not quick. It can take several journeys through the cycle of remembering and grief before one can truly forgive and be free. Today, we will once again do a practice of creating a safe space for yourself with your cloak of safety. But before we go there, let me read a poem offered in the book. As I read this, listen to what your heart hears. God forgives unconditionally. So can we. The thief on the cross still dies on his cross, but forgiveness will set his spirit free. And what of you and me standing on the ground with our piles of hurt mounting so high, we will actually die 1,000 deaths before we die? Yearning for revenge, will we die of that thirst? Will the rage that fills us be the stake on which we burn? Will we stumble over every resistance placed in our way and stay stuck in the misery of it all? Or will we take the chance that we might break free by following this path where it leads, past the whys and lies about how it cannot be? Here is our chance. Take this chance. Break free. And now let's do our practice together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and easy breath. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. When you've settled into the rhythm of your breath, allow yourself to feel a cloak of safety surrounding you like a fabric. What is the texture of this cloak? Does it have a color? Does it have a fragrance? Does it feel warm or cool? Describe this cloak in your imagination as fully as you can, and then pull the cloak around you and settle into feeling safe. What exactly does this safety feel like within you? What sensations are there in your body signaling to you that you are safe? How does the safety feel in your heart, in your mind, in your breath? Does the sense of safety stay within the borders of your body, or does it expand a little? How far out does it expand? Rest in this sensation of safety for a few moments and just enjoy being here, knowing that this is enough for now. There is nothing else you need to do. Just feeling safe is enough. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work you've just done. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. Repeat after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate all the things forgiveness is not. It's not weakness, not a subversion of justice, not an easy process, not forgetting, not quick. And today I will also do a post with the second stone ritual that the authors of the book suggest in order to viscerally experience the importance of forgiveness. I'll post it both in this public group and also in our Mindful Mornings private circle group to create a more in-depth discussion around it, if you're willing to do it, of course. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.